Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Raspberry Pi model B, 8 GB of RAM. I brought this kit from www.villaros.com. I got a good deal and I brought from there. That's the only place cheapest I couldn't find from the internet. It took like 3 days or probably 4 days to ship. So everything good. This is the stuff I brought. Raspberry Pi 4 model B. I know that's Raspberry Pi 5 came out, but I went through the Raspberry Pi 4 model B, 8 GB of RAM. It's like $75 with the discount, close to 65 something. And I got another one is Raspberry compatible power supply for this, and Raspberry compatible clear case with fan. So I'm going to unpack everything. I'm going to set it up and I'm going to go with all the details with the Raspberry Pi. My coming up lessons, I'm going to create more projects, including robotics project and with system engineering, like computer hacking, and a lot of projects, a lot of cool projects. So please subscribe to my channel and I'm going to create more projects in the future videos. Today I'm going to unpack and I'm going to do some investigation on this Raspberry Pi, and I'm going to show you the basic stuff. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first of all I'm going to remove the open here. So I'm going to open the box. This is the Raspberry Pi 4 model B. It is. I'm going to put this one here. I'm going to get all the stuff from this box. Okay, I'm going to keep this side all this information so we can check that one out. Let me put away, and I'm going to see. Okay, this everything safety guide. I know no one going to read this, but you can see it's here. Let's put that away, and we have some kind of instruction how to use thing. Good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove everything. I'm going to focus on the Raspberry Pi 4 board first, so we can open this later. Now let me okay, so you can see the Raspberry Pi board, and we're going to go and all these options. Now let's turn this way. Okay, now you can see this board in here is gigabyte Ethernet. Okay, this gigabyte Ethernet port, and this one is 2 USB 3. So these are USB 3 ports in the blue. In the black you can see these are USB 2 ports. So 2 USB 2 ports, 2 USB 3 ports, and gigabyte Ethernet adapter, so you can connect to a network, internet, and everything with the wire network. Okay, so next you can see like this is 4-pole stereo audio jack. Okay, and you can see in this one is 2-lane, you can say 2-lane MIPI CSI camera port. Just for remember the names, once we start the project, we'll give you full details on these ports. And you will see two micro HDMI ports. So these are up to 4K. Okay, micro HDMI port, so you can connect to monitors, 4K monitors. And this one is USB-C power port. Okay, 5 volt 3 amperes. And you can see this one is another 2-lane MPI DSI display port. Okay, and you will see this is a micro SD card slot, and you will see this one is 2.45 GHz wireless Bluetooth chip, and this is 40-pin general purpose input output header, and there's a PO heat header. Sure, it's there. Okay, so Raspberry Pi has all modern communication system. It has internal Wi-Fi and Bluetooth wireless data communication. It can be used with internal at anywhere without any distribution. The Pi can be moved easily within the same network due to the fast Wi-Fi support. The device also has LAN support in case Wi-Fi is not available and the network is following the wired communication method to communicate. So you know the HDMI interface. In previous Pi devices there was only one HDMI port and it also has low graphics, but in the latest model there are two mini HDMI ports that can be used at the same time for the multiple desktop views. Both ports give a 4K Ultra HD view to the user. It has never feels that the user is viewing the mini-sized computer. It's very pretty cool. Okay, now the USB, they are USB ports, right? The Raspberry Pi 4, 2 ports, 2 support, but the remaining are the 3 ports. Just so the 3 USB 3 ports given the user to transfer data very quickly. And the camera module. So due to increased usage of Raspberry Pi in IoT and the other smart project, the PO header also has come with the Pi. And the camera, the device has a camera support. It has 2 Leno MIPI CSI camera port, which can be used to connect the Pi directly with the cameras and use them without any third interface. And the display, display and the audio data can be traveled from Pi to the display device through HDMI, but it has separate 4-pole audio port that can be used to send and receive audio signal. The signal from the device can be used by the internal program or any other device at the expansion header. And the SD card is the most required in the part of the Raspberry Pi. The OS of the Pi will be placed within the SD card. Okay, and then the card will be used through the SD card slot. Okay, let's check on the processors. So Pi has most powerful quad-core Cortex A72 64-bit CPU running at the 1.5 GHz Broadcom video core VI GPU running on the it can has 4K videos, H265 encoding, 2 HDMI outputs. It has a full functional Gigabit Ethernet interface and USB 3 port. Okay, and the RAM. So the Raspberry Pi 4 comes with optional 2 GB, 4 GB and 8 GB of RAM. It has LPDDR4 RAM. Also, you get a heat sink in a RAM chip as gets its hot while operating. So you can see the black one. Yeah. So there's a Ethernet controller. Okay. The PI board has a Broadcom BCM54213GB Ethernet control. It falls to slower speed if the network speed is slow. You can see the USB controller. Okay. And the USB port controller Raspberry Pi 4 has two USB 3 and two USB ports. Okay. And the power and the pins. Okay, that's enough of the board. It's very pretty cool, very small, very powerful. Okay, I'm going to camera move so we can have a good view, and I'm going to open the Raspberry compatible clear case. Okay, it's very clear. We have a same like, so it says connect the fan to your PI by connecting the black cable pin number 14 and connecting the red cable to the pin number 1. I'm going to keep that here. So we have instructions. Remove the SD card from the Raspberry Pi before inserting and removing the case. Remove SD card. Okay, so we have all these instructions. Align the ports and insert the Raspberry Pi. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the cover first, and actually this board, when I do a project on robotics, I don't think I need to have this, but anyways, I'm going to find out how to open this. So let me put this here. I'm trying to open this. So hopefully I didn't break anything. Let me see. It just came out. You have 3M stickers. Civil screws to be used to only camera module only. Screws are not used in the PI case. Okay, so these screws only for the camera only, not for the PI module. Okay, so let me get this right. So this is the bottom part and this is the top part, right? Can the top part come like this? And it says the case also includes the small screws. These screws used to connect a camera module to the top part of the case. If you are using camera module with the Raspberry Pi, the screws are not used to secure board to the case. Okay, align the ports and insert the Raspberry Pi into the bottom part of this case. Align the ports. Okay, align the ports. Okay, how do you want me to align the ports? Let me see where's the ports come. We can here the processors. Oh, you know what? It should goes this side. Let me see. Yeah, you can see. So it should goes here. I'm going to align. You can see the holes. Okay, I think I align nicely. And after that it says once insert, press down to the board until it snaps into place. Yeah, so I hear the snaps, so that's good. Connect the fan to your PI by connecting the black cable to pin number 14. Okay, I'm going to count again. It's very small, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is the 14. What do you mean? Okay, I'm connect the fan to your PA by connecting the black cable to pin number 14 and connect the red cable to pin number 1. So why 14 is here? Is 14 here? Yes, I'm going to connect. Oh, it says. Okay, so it says 1 here, so it should not like that. I count double. No, my mistake. So 1. Do we have numbers here? Oh, we need to count. I don't see any numbers. Do we have numbers in the back? I don't think so. Okay, let's count again. So 1, it says 1, this one, right one. I want to make sure I'm not going to burn my fan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is this one. Yep. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Cool. So red should goes to number 1. Okay, I'm going to put number 1. Hopefully. Okay. Going to put this. Make sure the cable going to snap in. Okay, fill in nice and smooth. So it will have a space to put the SD card. Okay, so 14. Okay, align the top of the part case. Okay, so yep, I did it. Everything perfect. I'm going to put all other stuff aside so you can see it went smoothly. So I'm going to get the power pack, open the power. This is Raspberry compatible. From Willow Rose, so they made this adapter. The nice thing about this adapter is If you want to turn off, turn on, you can use this switch, so you don't need to unplug or plug this. That's why I like it. So USB, going to use this. I'm going to use the power. I'm going to plug the power. I hope I have enough length. Okay, I just did the power. Nice. I hear the noise. Fan is working. So everything looks perfect. Okay, next videos I'm going to configure this. I'm going to install the Raspberry Pi OS, and after that we're going to do a lot of projects like Wi-Fi hacking, a lot of hacking with Kali Linux, and robotics projects, and different projects. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video. And please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe, share to your friends, and we'll see you next video.